Those screws won't stay in there. It's just on the bottom side, on the inside of the table. It's never gonna be seen again. It's gonna allow me to get a nice straight shot on all the way through. All right, this thing kept trying to walk on me, so I got an idea. You ain't gonna walk anymore today, buddy. Not generally a fan of putting holes in my desk, but this table's worth more to me than this desktop is for sure. 10-fold, 12-fold, 20-fold. Each corner, and the whole thing will just, and then I'll flip the thing up. It's upside down right now, but you get the idea. It's gonna be completely continuous grain all the way through.